We'll guide you through how to make an auto rapid firing dispenser in Minecraft. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So first of all, go and grab your redstone repeater and place it down. And then what you need to do is go to the opposite side and place another, just like that. And then what you need to do is go and get some redstone, place it down either side so you go and make a circuit. And then all you need to do is then go and place another bit of redstone here and go and place a repeater so it's looking away from the circuit, like so. And then you can go and place your dispenser just here, like this. Now all we need to do is go and trigger this. To do that, you just place a redstone torch like so it's all lit up. And now what you need to do is very quickly break one of the bits of redstone and then go and replace it. So I'll do that now, and as you can see, it's now repeating. And now if I go and load up the dispenser with arrows, just like so, it'll go and start firing. Now what I like to do is go and put a lever on here, so right click on it while holding shift, and you can then go and turn it off.